Here's what I know about this luggage. It can take a beating. I took this guy outside, picked it up overhead, and slammed it on the ground. And it looks perfect. And it's good looking. It's such a nice set of luggage. Now, let me tell you some of my favorite features. First of all, the weight is great. It is ultra lightweight per the description, and I would agree. It's also got the 4 wheels so you can spin it. My current carry-on bag does not have that. So it comes with the big bag, the 24-inch bag, and then the 20 bag, which, according to the new TSA guidelines, 22 inches is the max. That includes the wheel and the handle. So this is your carry-on size. So keep that in mind. These two would have to be checked. Now it also comes with a toiletry bag, which is very nice. I could see my wife stealing this and putting her makeup in it. And then it also comes with this great duffel bag. It's really nice. And a super cool feature of the duffel bag is this little shoe compartment. So you put your shoes in here and it stays away from everything else. So if your shoes are dirty, it doesn't make the rest of the bag dirty. Pretty slick. Now, I want to show you a little bit here about packing. So this is a carry-on, so I'm imagining that I'm going on a trip and it's warm. Hopefully we're going to the beach. So I've got my shorts and t-shirts in there and some socks, and I like how it's got that guy to keep everything in place, even if you're moving your bag around. And then on the other side, you've got this zipper compartment. So you put your clothes in here, and then you can zip it closed with this guy, which is a very nice touch. And then you've also got this little mesh area that you could put other products in here, and it stays in place. Very nice feeling luggage. Like I mentioned before, it's super lightweight. And, oh, by the way, it has TSA compliant locks. Yes, that's right, you heard that correctly. So you bring the zipper over to this side and then it clicks into place. And now your bag is secure, but TSA can open it and do their search as they need to without damaging your luggage. There's a way to reset the combination on the side so that you can make it your own combination. Very nice luggage. Ooh, we gotta check this out. Ah, I like the handle. That's another thing about my current luggage is this guy wore out and I can't push it back down. But this mechanism feels really good. I don't see this wearing out anytime soon. So, if you're looking for a set of luggage that is ultra lightweight and super durable, it can withstand the body slam test, these guys are the ticket. And finally, the last thing that I really like about this is that all of the pieces can be packed into each other into this guy. So it's my job to put away the luggage after the trip and to know that I can get everything into this one guy and save space in the storage room. That is a huge plus. I recommend this luggage.